Alright, it's time for one of my favourite rituals during the week. I can't believe I just said that, but it's switching up the bedding. So this current set by Meander Wild, this is the Into the Wild quilt cover set in forest green and natural, so you can flip it over, and it's with our Roman cotton sateen sheets in driftwood. Really lush, it's got a really earthy vibe on both sides. Gives the van a real like cooling vibe, but as we're coming into winter, I'm after something a bit warmer. Ta-da! Does anybody else do this? Okay, starting from the base. This is the Wanderer Bamboo Waterproof Mattress Protector from Meander Wild. It's made from a blend of high quality bamboo and polyester fibres, which means it's breathable and waterproof. Perfect for life on the road when you're usually dragging in dirt and you get sweaty and all that jazz. The bamboo also adds antibacterial properties, which helps keep the mattress protector and the mattress going on for longer, and it's super comfy too. Plus the stretchy skirt means it fits nicely over the mattress, and even mattress toppers. Dreamer RV, have you seen them? So helpful. So, in here are the Roman cotton sateen sheets. This is in June, which is my favourite, kind of matches. 100% cotton, 500 thread count, and seriously soft. It's like hotel stuff, like good hotel stuff. So you can get these awesome linen bags as well to store everything, which is very nice. Now, these are a total game changer when it comes to bedding in a caravan or van, whatever. So they've made them to fit to the caravan mattress properly. With really long skirts and strong elastics, so they do not fall off. I don't iron any of my bedding. I haven't got time for that. Like, it is just not an easy task making a bed in a caravan or a motorhome. So anything that Meander Wild have done and can do to make it easier is a bonus. Okay, so that's the fitted sheet. I think that is one of the nicest colours. Whoa, I am still here. And it feels gorgeous. And then of course you have the flat sheet, or top sheet, or whatever you want to call it, with their famous zip. That is so satisfying. Now the flat sheet's on. So what you can find with some flat sheets or top sheets when you're going along on a bumpy road is they fall off, or they come untucked, or whatever. Because this is zipped on, obviously it's not coming off. It also means that when you're in bed, when it's cold, you're really like cocooned in here, and when it's really hot and you don't want your quilt on and all of that, this is a perfect sheet just to put over you. It's breathable, it feels really nice. So you get the 2 June pillowcases as well. So Meander Wild are over in Australia. People who run it, the owners, are just so friendly. They're really on the ball, they really listen to you, which is great. Customer service is key. And if you've been following us for a while, you would have seen we're in the process of getting this caravan. We're like, right, do we go for motorhome caravan bedding? We put it out there to you for your opinions. Some of you said it's not worth it, just stick to normal bedding. Most of you said it's 100% worth it, and once you've gone there you won't go back. So then it was like, okay, well, how nice does that look, even if it is really creased? We spent a lot of time looking around. Unfortunately, most of them were just like your bedding you get from anywhere, like the warehouse, which that's what we used to have. Like, there's nothing wrong with it, but can you hear how windy that is? And it's really hot today, so I can't have all the windows open. Oi. Yeah, nothing wrong with the warehouse bedding at all, but we wanted something a lot better. Or, it was so like novelty-ish. Like, we saw one that just had all these caravans on it, like these cartoon caravans, like a gimmicky, childy thing that you like use to go camping for like a day. And you're like, oh yeah, look at this. And you're like, oh, it's hideous, you never want to look at it again. So definitely not our vibe. We came across Meander Wild, and they've just got it, but they've got the style, they've got the aesthetic, they have the colour schemes, all based on parts of Australia like the Pilbara or the Outback or the coast or what knows, and the quality's just like sensational. In the next bag, this is my favourite. This is the first bedding set we got. It just reminds me of Australia, it really does, which is really nice. This is ochre and clay, and the material is next level. So they're all made of premium European flax They're all made from European flax linen, which keeps them breathable in the summer but really cosy in the winter. That is not scripted. Obviously they're always thinking about me who gets confused on which end goes where, so this goes at the bottom and you can have it on the ochre way or the clay. I'm going to go for ochre, and this I think goes really nicely with the June colour. Don't you agree? Yay, nay? I think yay. It's been stoned washed, so it's extra soft, and it does get softer and nicer with time. And also there's a discreet little zip here, so no buttons or those silly popper things. Oh, you've even got internal corner ties to stop it from bunching up. Who thought of that? Now if they could make a duvet or a quilt that tells me which way it goes. This is not theirs, this is not from them. But Meanderwild, please make one. This is from Living & Co. See the warehouse. How terrible is that? I've got this really luxurious bedding. My quilt is from the warehouse. So that might have looked really difficult, but I think that's just me, honestly. It's so much easier having the where to put things and the zips, and for me anyway. I really like how they're reversible as well, so if you're in the mood for lighter or darker, you just flip it over, and the pillowcases too. See? And these have zips as well, so easy as. They also do lifestyle lumbar cushions. They look really good. I think I need to get a couple of those. I like to have my pillows propped up. I don't have to use these horrible cushions. Righty-o. And there we have it. Yeah, Meanderwild. We're obsessed. Bedding is important. This is our 4th rig, and we will be taking our Meanderwild bedding into our new rig. Can't wait for that. And then adding to the collection as we go by. We have tried lots of different beddings, lots of different beds, and let's spend some time actually talking about sleep and how important it is. And this is for blokes as well. This isn't just a feminine thing. Sleep is important. It matters what you sleep in. It matters the fibres you put on your body. And Meanderwild have just got it down, we think anyway. They also do nice throws. They do tea towels, just to make your home on wheels a bit more homely. If you like it, I'll put a link in, I'll put a discount code in. Go bag yourself some proper bedding and have a good night's sleep.